Hey.
We
wanted to check your park out and see if it's somewhere that we'd like to come stay. Yeah, I like the idea of the level sites, the level, yeah.
Drove right by a stop sign, so they're going to stop and go in the office.
Did we? Okay. Well, we're very, very sorry.
That's fine.
But
I'd just like to know who's driving around.
you have a nice park.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I think we might come back and spend some time with you.
Alrighty, like how much time?
Maybe a couple of weeks or something like that.
Yeah, because the ones up on top there, the cement ones aren't for monthly at all.
Well, no. We generally like to stay somewhere a couple of weeks and then, But yeah, so we like the looks of your place.
Summer, primarily for overnight.
Oh yeah, because I imagine that y'all are extremely busy during the summer. Yeah. And does the lake, is that y'all's lake also? Very good. Do you have fishing in it or?
Catch release in there.
Very good. So you got a great spot here. Not that far from Nashville. Can't beat that. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Pull in and they'll give you a map of the whole place and everything.
No, I think we saw enough that we also like with the little deck that you've got down there. So it's a nice, very nice area. Thank you. We'll end up having to shut the